Welcome to our channel. If you want to understand and calculate Ethereum gas fees before making a transaction, follow these step-by-step instructions to estimate costs in Gwei and USD. Step 1. Understand that gas fees are paid in Gwei, a denomination of Ethereum where 1 Gwei equals 0.00000001 ETH. Transaction costs vary based on network congestion and transaction complexity. Step 2. Visit a gas tracking website like Etherscan's gas tracker at etherscan.io/gastracker or ETH gas station to see current gas prices for different transaction speeds. Step 3. Note the 3 standard gas price tiers: low for slower transactions taking 10+ minutes, average for moderate speed around 3 to 5 minutes, and high for fast transactions under 1 minute. Step 4. Identify your transaction type since different actions require different amounts of computational work. Simple ETH transfers use about 21,000 gas units, while smart contract interactions can use 100,000 or more. Step 5. Calculate your gas fee using this formula. Gas fee equals gas units multiplied by gas price in Gwei. For example, 21,000 units times 50 Gwei equals 1,050,000 Gwei total. Step 6. Convert Gwei to ETH by dividing by 1 billion. Using our example, 1,050,000 divided by 1 billion equals 0.00105 ETH for the transaction fee. Step 7. Convert ETH to USD by multiplying by the current Ethereum price. If ETH is $2,000, then 0.00105 ETH times $2,000 equals $2.10 for the transaction. Step 8. Use MetaMask or your wallet's built-in estimator to preview fees before confirming. You can adjust the gas price to pay more for faster confirmation or less to save money with slower processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.